Hey guys, this is Gopher King Science, and today I'm going to be throwing nitrocellulose into manganese heptoxide. Let's get started. First I'll mix up some manganese heptoxide. It's pretty simple, just add a little bit of potassium permanganate to the bottom of a glass bowl and cover it completely in sulfuric acid. The oily green substance floating on top of the liquid is the manganese heptoxide. Now this stuff is very, very dangerous, and before you attempt this yourself, you need to read the description below. Now here I made up a little nitrocellulose. It's really cool stuff. It looks and feels like cotton, but when I apply just a little bit of heat to it from this electric cautery unit, it goes up in a little ball of fire. Now this stuff's so cool that it deserves its own video. So I'll be making a synthesis video on this in the future. Okay, back to the manganese heptoxide. As you can see, the dish is a little bit messy from a previous take. When the nitrocellulose is dropped in, it explodes in a little ball of fire and smoke. Here's the same shot, 10 times slower. This was shot with a GoPro at 240 frames per second. I love the way that little mushroom cloud looks. Let's try and get a bigger explosion. There we go, that's more what I'm after. I really like the slow motion shot of this mushroom cloud. I kinda wish I would have had the GoPro facing up a little higher so you could see the smoke travel up further. Now I'm gonna show you an accident that really reinforces the importance of safety gear. I dropped a piece of nitrocellulose into this manganese heptoxide, and it appeared that none of it went into the bowl, and that it had missed and gone off to the side, so I reached down to grab it, but it actually turns out that a small piece of it had broken off and gone into the manganese heptoxide, and it blew up when I was not suspecting that it would, and I had my hand over the dish. My mom was out watching, so the loud gasp you hear is her. My glove was covered in sulfuric acid and manganese heptoxide bits, and I could have been burned very badly. Also, my lab coat was quite singed. This could have been very bad if I wasn't wearing safety equipment. Here's the slow motion clip of the accident. Now, in hindsight, it looks really cool. And since nothing bad happened to me, I just have this clip that makes me look pretty awesome. Now when I zoom in on this clip, you can see the tiny bit split off and go into the bowl. It's kind of ridiculous that small amount caused that big of an explosion. Well, my channel has just crossed over 3,000 subscribers, so I want to say thanks. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I'll have more frequent videos coming out in the future.